In this video of PTC Creo Parametric, I will discuss with you about how we can create or define datum plane inside PTC Creo Parametric. And not only we're gonna do that in case of modeling, but also in case of detailing or drawing, such that we can also utilize it whenever we are defining GD&T. Now let me quickly go here on File and then New, and then I'm gonna select Drawing. Now I'm gonna keep all these things as it is just for convenience, and let's hit OK. Now again here I'm gonna select Empty, Portrait and A4. Now let's hit OK. Now I'm gonna click on General View, OK, and I'm going to place this plate flat. Now again let's click on View Display and Hidden. Now there are two methods of creating datums, just like what we saw in case of note. Now since as we know Creo Parametric follow model centric approach, so what we can do is we can actually open model and then go to annotate, and then here let me select front, and here itself I can define that datum feature symbol. So now let me click on datum feature symbol, and I'm going to define this phase as my primary datum. So simply you need to make a left click and then you need to press middle mouse such that we can create our first datum. Again, the reason why we can't see it is we have not enabled annotation display. Once we enable it, now we can see it. Now let's define datum B. Again, I'm gonna go on the top and then I'm gonna select datum B, and in this way guys we have defined datum B. Now again what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna select this top plane. Now I'm gonna define datum C, which is nothing but this face. So let me select this face and I'm gonna say it as datum C. Okay, now let's see how we can import these datum in our drawing. For that, so let me quickly go back here on drawing view. Now let me select this part, show model annotation, and this time I'm gonna go on the last option, which is show model datum. Now along with center line here, we can also see that datum target are defined. Now in this particular view, datum C doesn't make any sense as it is vertically upward. So I'm gonna remove datum C and then I can click OK. Now I'm gonna add a projection view and let me make it hidden. And then here I'm gonna again go show model annotation, and here probably I can select datum C. So in this way guys, we have understood how easy it is to add datum feature symbol. Now let's also try creating draft type datum feature symbol directly inside drafting, which again is pretty simple as we have seen in case of part modeling. For that, let me go here on legacy migration and then select datum feature symbol. Now click on the edge and create the datum feature symbol. Now there is a reason why I am showing you how you can create in modeling first, because that one is recommended. Because let's say tomorrow if you would like to create another view or drawing of it, you will see that since they are kind of integrated with model, so every time datum B will be datum B despite no matter how many more view you're going to create of it. So that's why it is good to go with the datum features that we define in case of part modeling. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure that you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.